Amazfit Active 2 comes equipped with a lot of health features. You can track your stress levels, your heart rate, your breathing, your sleep, and whatnot. But there is this one app in this watch that you can just press one button and measure all of your health indicators with just one tap, which is really convenient, and I really like this feature. So you can go in this app and just tap on measure, and it will tell you that measuring starts soon, and now it will start measuring all of your health metrics with just one tap of a button, and all you have to do is remain still for a minute. So there you go, all the basic health metrics have been measured by just one tap, and I think it's a very intuitive feature and other watchmakers need to copy it ASAP. Another very cool tip on this watch is that you can change and rotate the direction of the display. So if you're wearing the watch like this on your left wrist, you can then wear it like this on your right wrist and still have these buttons on the outside. And you can do that by going in settings, go in preference, and here go in wearing direction. So from here, buttons are on the right, then you can select buttons on the left, and then you can wear it on your right wrist and still have these buttons on the outside. So that's a really practical feature to have on your watch. Next up, we have a timer app on this watch, and it has a really cool feature. So let's go in the timer app, and here you will see that we have some default timer options. So I'll turn on this option, but then I have this plus button, so I can tap on the plus button and start another timer. And then I have this button here and I can tap on it and see all my timers going on. And then I can start another timer, and then I can see all these timers. So this way I can initiate multiple timers at the same time on the watch and control them from this hub. Amazfit Active 2 also features a compass, and it comes with a fantastic feature. So if we go in apps and go in compass, here you can see that we have a compass, but then it has a very cool feature. You'll see this button here. If I tap on it, it will lock this direction, and if I start moving my watch, it will tell me how many degrees I have moved in a certain direction, which is great, which is a very novel feature. I haven't seen it in any other watch, and I really like this feature. It's really handy for people who like to go on treks and need to check their direction. This feature can come in really handy in those situations. You can also change the app view. So if you don't like this app view, you can change it. And for that, we have to go in settings, go in preferences, and here go in app view. So right now this is the grid view. You can also go to list view. So if we'll select that, now you will get the list view. When you're working out, by default your screen will turn off, but you can set it up to stay on when you're working out, so you can take a look at your health metrics while working out. You can set this up by going in the app drawer, go in workout apps, go all the way down, go in workout settings, and here turn on always on display during workouts, and your display will stay on and will not turn off. There are some other settings here as well, so you can turn on do not disturb when working out. You can turn on voice broadcast, so it will tell you about your goals that you have achieved. And then there is post-workout heart rate. When you have finished your workout, it will give you a heart rate notification. So you can change and customize all these workout settings from here. Next feature that I want to talk about is related to notifications. So if you swipe up, you get to your notifications, and let's say you have this notification and it's on the third number, but I want to move it up. So all I have to do is swipe left and you get this arrow button, and if I tap on it, so in this case it has moved on the top. Now I can swipe on it again and move it down, and then it will go back to where it actually was in the third place. So this way, if you have priority notifications, you can move them at the top. Amazfit Active 2 also comes equipped with a thermometer in it, and you can measure the temperature of anything. So right now I'm wearing it. I have to go in the apps and go in thermometer app, and here I can have it measure my temperature. Now obviously you can read more about it. This will measure the local temperature. So built-in watch sensor measures the real-time temperature of the contact position. For the most accurate temperature measurement, make sure the bottom shell of the watch is fully in contact with the object to measure for more than 10 minutes. When worn on the wrist, the watch measures local temperature, which is impacted by environmental and other factors. It is not the same as the body temperature. Set the temperature unit, open the app, and now it's telling you how to set the units of the temperature, but you can check your local temperature. Active 2 also comes equipped with themes. So if you go in settings, go in display and scroll down, you will see the theme style. So here this is the default theme style, but you can swipe to change the theme style and you can see how the icons change between these three settings. So this one is default, then you have business, and then you have vibrant. So you can change these settings. Let's select this one and we'll go into the app drawer and you'll see that the icons in the app drawer have changed. Amazfit Active 2 has AMOLED display and that powers some beautiful always on display, but there is a fantastic setting in always on display as well on this watch. So if you go in settings, go in display, go in always on display, here you will see this feature called always on style. Now here you have two options. You can follow the watch face style that you have set on your watch, or you can select a different style always on display. So that is something I haven't seen anywhere else. So if you tap on select style, you can now select a custom always on display style for your watch. So no matter what watch face you have, when the always on display turns on, you will get this style. So let's say I'll select this one and we'll go back. And now when it turns to always on display, I have my specific style that I selected from the settings.